so we are going to be unboxing our very tiny and very cute premium box. We'll get into all that information. If you received this box and you were a little confused because like that's the typical size, so was I. So we're gonna get into all of that, my thoughts. I have tried a couple of the items out in here. Now this was sent to me in PR, so I do not get to customize any of the things, so just keep that in mind. Do want to give a huge shout out to the Good Candle. I do have a new candle up here burning. You all know I absolutely love Martha's entire line of her candles. They are 100% soy, they're natural. I'm not sponsored, but gotta give my girl a shout out over here. Every Sunday she does post over on Instagram a new candle that is on sale for the week, and you can stack my coupon, which is code HOTMESS, to save yourself an additional 15%, so you end up getting 25% off of her candle of the week. Absolutely love them. This is cucumber water. This was her limited edition Mother's Day candle. I'm not 100% if it's still around, but all of her candles smell absolutely delicious, amazing, and you don't end up with soot on your ceiling, so we love that. Anyways, if you are new here, hi, hello, and welcome. My name's Rhonda, and over here we always embrace the hot mess because it's a judgment-free, drama-free, stress-free zone where we sit back, relax, unbox, chit chat, review, play in makeup, talk about makeup, do all the things. So before we get into the unboxing, if you are curious about my eyeshadow, I literally only used 2 shades out of my Makeup Geek. This is the Matrix Neutral palette, y'all. I absolutely love this palette so much. These are the 2 shades. This one is, oh gosh darn it, I thought for a second I was gonna memorize them, but my brain don't do that. Had me at yellow, and then the shade right underneath it is in the shade Tiki Hut. So if you're interested in just picking up those 2 shades versus the entire palette, you definitely can do that. Code HOTMESSMOMMAMD will save you 10% at Makeup Geek, and pick these up. The liners, they're amazing. Have those on as well. Okay, let's just go ahead and jump on in. Okay, so I know they say that size doesn't matter, but like sometimes I feel like it kind of does. Alright, like anybody else a little confused? I was a little confused, but you know, it is what it is, and you know, you get what you get and you don't throw a fit. A lot of the times y'all ask me what the weight of my box is. Now, it was set in PR. They did ship everything together. Now, I have a male scale over here, so my male scale says it is 12.9 ounces. Now when it comes to the premium box, the premium box is $35 a month. You do get to customize 2 of the items in here, but because this was sent to me in PR, I did not get to customize the items. So let's go ahead and jump right in. Now you see the box is completely different. I don't know if this is a new thing, I don't know what they did here. Typically, they are color coordinated. So like we see pink for the base box, blue for the premium, and black for the luxe box. So don't know if they're getting into something new or what. We do get a little card in here, and every single month the box is themed. This month's theme is Boxycharm Dare to Dazzle, and let's go ahead and jump right in. The first item in here is by Marc Jacobs. This is the At Lashed Lifting and Volumizing Mascara. This is a full-size product, and this was a choice item. I want to say there was 2 Marc Jacobs mascaras up against the Dominique Cosmetics. I forget the name of her palette, but it's this beautiful like transition-y shade, that's probably the name of it, palette, and I was so hoping for that. Very grateful for this, don't get me wrong, but if I was making a choice for my premium box, I would have went honestly with the Dominique Cosmetics palette. So this is what the mascara looks like. Again, full-size product. Now this particular one, I have not tried this formula. Right now, like currently I have open the Velvet Noir. by Marc Jacobs, and I do really like this mascara. This does have a retail value of $27, and it says finally extreme length and curl plus epic definition come together in one ultra luxe long wear mascara. It is enriched with lash conditioners, biotin peptides, provitamin B5. The vegan flake and smudge resistant formula is lightweight, buildable without making lashes look crunchy or clumpy. So that is really nice. And if you don't like to spend a lot of money on your mascaras, subscription boxes are a great way to go, because I do feel like the more subscription boxes that I unbox, the more I see lots of mascara in them. So, however, doesn't mean I didn't want that Dominique Cosmetics, so hopefully that'll be available in add-ons or something. Now the next item in here that I'm going to show you, this was actually a choice item, and I have been testing this item out. This is by Laura Mercier. This does have a retail value of $39. It says bring a healthy glow to skin with the illuminating primer that creates a flawless canvas for makeup application and extended wear. $39 retail value. In case I forgot to tell you, somebody keeps bebopping past and it's really throwing me off. What do you need, honey? Okay, so this is the full-size product, and this was the choice item. There was actually a decent amount of choices, I felt like, when it came to the premium. So I have been testing this out for a couple days. Now, if y'all watched my base box unboxing, I felt completely off, and I told y'all maybe I thought it was my foundation was too light, which that wasn't the problem. It matches. I have it on today. I just think it's weird that I don't see myself with sunless tanner. That's probably why I felt so pale. But when it came down to it, I think it was actually this primer that has completely thrown me off. So with this primer, this is the illuminating one, and it says Pure Canvas Primer, and it does give a luminosity to the skin. I don't feel like there's any like hydrating type of properties. So you do see a luminosity here, but for whatever reason, when it comes to my face, like here I feel like it's sinking in, but when it comes to my face, I feel like it just sits on my skin. It doesn't, like, I don't know, I almost feel like it accentuates my pores. It was really odd, and I think it's completely throwing me off. The reason I know it is this is because that same day that I used this with my Fenty Beauty, this is the Pro Filter Hydrating Longwear Foundation, I couldn't figure it out. So then I literally washed everything off, did my normal routine. I used actually my OFRA Cosmetics. This is the Absolute Cover primer. Love this primer. Used it with this, and it worked perfect. I've tried this with a couple other foundations as well, and I just all of a sudden, like, I notice all my pores, and I'm like, So for me, this particular primer isn't so much working out. It does say it is silicone free, which I feel like typically it's the silicone based type of primers that I always feel like just sit on top of my skin and just feels uncomfortable. So again, I tried it out today, and I'm still not loving this primer whatsoever when I pair it with any other foundation. I will say on its own, it's okay. I don't mind it on its own. I feel like this is something where if I were to maybe put a couple dabs or drops into like my tinted moisturizer or in my sunscreen, I would probably like it. But to use it as a primer, unfortunately, it's just not my jam. I'm not living for it. So anywho, so the next item in here is by Skin Regimen. This is a 1.85 HA booster. It has Hydra Plumping Concentrate, and I mean, honestly, it sounds absolutely amazing. A little information about this. Are y'all ready? It has a retail value of $115. It's a hydrating serum with concentrate of 3 forms of hyaluronic acid, micro, macro, and cross-linked to infuse the skin, locks in moisture, and at various levels restores optimal levels of hydration. Free from silicone, synthetic fragrance, 99.2% natural origin ingredients. It is a full-size product. I am all about the hyaluronic acid. I feel like if you really want plump, glowing skin, if you have fine lines, I mean, who doesn't? We're all aging here. These like types of products, absolutely amazing. So this is what it looks like. It's in, you know, a nice dark glass bottle with a little dropper on here. I am very excited to try this out. Pro tip, make sure to put make sure to use hyaluronic acid around your eyes, your smile lines, your lips. All my skincare every single morning, no matter what I put on my face, goes down my neck, décolleté, and backs of my hands as well, because as we know, our hands, it's going to show signs of aging as well. So everything on my face definitely goes on the back of my hands as well. And so that's where I'm like, I don't think it's my skincare messing with me, because I have all this on here, and for whatever reason, this just doesn't want to play nicely with my face. So there's that. Okay, so the next item in here is by Zoeva. I actually have this on my lips today. This is the Pure Velours Lip, and it's a soft velvet ultra creamy formula. It glides on the lips smoothly, combining intense color, long-lasting formula that sets a matte finish. The velvety ultra matte liquid lipstick delivers supple and full lips. It does have a retail value of $15. It's in the shade Clear Message. So I'll keep it real with y'all. I have lined my lips with my Gerard Cosmetics Sugar and Spice, and I'd actually put on my Gerard Cosmetics Buttercup lipstick and then buttercream, and then I opened the box. I'm like, oh, I forgot to use my lipsticks. Duh. So right over top of all of that, I did put this on here, and it's actually really comfortable, and it paired well with my Gerard Cosmetics lipstick and lip gloss, my bougie gloss that I talk about all the time. So I like this. It reminds me of the Dose of Colors. They have like a velvet moussey type of formula lipstick, and it's really comfortable. And even though it says that it's matte, I don't feel like it dries out my lips whatsoever. And y'all know I'm like uber cautious about that. I don't want that crusty, you know, rough looking lips. So I actually like this. I like the color as well, and I thought it paired nicely with my Makeup Geek eyeshadow palette. So that is the next item in here. Next we have, this is an eye cream, and I don't even know how to say this, by that's me pronunciating. So that is what it looks like. I do believe it's supposed to be a full size, but y'all, I'm not gonna fib. If you hold it up to the light, and I don't know, I'll see if I can zoom in, it literally looks like it starts up here and then dwindles down to about here. Like, it's not all the way full. Kind of like something we see sometimes, like Haley and I always hold up our little Ipsy tubes to see. But for mine, a lot of my product is not in here. It does say this is only a 0.5 fluid ounce. And I mean, in all honesty, this is an eye cream. So eye creams last you forever and a day, at least for me. And this does have, it looks like quinoa and vitamin C. Don't make fun of me. Judgment-free zone. Judgment-free zone. This does have a retail value of $39. It says it's an eye cream that contains quinoa. Oh, why I know this. I've eaten this before, and the word is not in my vocabulary right this second. Welcome to my brain. The whole house is full, so I'm always thrown off when the hubs and everybody's here, like really close. I'm like, yeah. Weird, right? I know. Anyways, this has colloidal oats, which is absolutely amazing, vitamin C, all of which work to reduce dark circles, puffiness, fine lines, and a retail value of $39. So honestly, if I had paid $39 for this, I would have been ticked off and I would have returned it to the store. But again, keeping in mind, this is an eye cream. It was in a $35 box, and we have about half of the product here. So maybe it's just they couldn't find a component, because maybe that is a ½ ounce worth of stuff in there, you know? Okay. I'm gonna just hush, because whatever. Okay, so the next item in here is by Floss Beauty. This is this is a cheek and lip tint. Love that I did not read. Okay, so it has a retail value of $22. It's a hydrating cheek and lip tint for the effortless beachy vibes, formulated with the convenience, ease. These are weatherproof, no brush needed. Tints blend seamlessly onto the skin to wear all day long. It's in the shade Sandals. like I saw it, but I feel like I just didn't comprehend it. You know what I mean? Kind of the story of my life. You know, sometimes I'm a little slow. It's fine. It's fine. Judgment-free zone. So this is what the component looks like, and it is a little screw-off type. The color right here looks really pretty. Ooh, I like that. So this is going to be something that's perfect for the lips or the cheeks. It doesn't feel like it has a little bit of the hydration there, but it's not like that waxy feel. You know what I mean? Like, I don't like that waxy feel. I feel like this is going to kind of penetrate into the skin and feel very, very comfortable, and that is a natural, like, sun-kissed type of glow. So like that, and I like the fact that it screws on, so you don't have to worry about the lid slipping off if you put it in your purse or your makeup bag or something. So that is very nice. Let me go ahead and total everything up for y'all right quick. Okay, so everything did come to a grand total of $257. So let me know y'all's thoughts on this box. I mean, in all honesty, I don't really like this box, which I know sounds horrible to say because it was gifted to me, and again, I'm very grateful and thankful for that. But for me, this isn't what I would have customized. You know, I would have went with the Dominique Cosmetics, and then I forget what the other choices were. But yeah, I would have totally hit the eyeshadow palette, and I don't think I would have went with the Laura Mercier primer, at least not this illuminating one. So for me, this box was kind of a miss. Excited to try this product out. I already know that I like the Marc Jacobs mascara, but other than that, I'm just kind of like womp womp. So let me know your thoughts as far as that goes. As far as the variation, if you are interested in the code, it is C2106220PM. So let me know down below, was this your favorite box? It was kind of definitely a miss for me. So anyways, until next time, don't forget to check me out on my second channel, HOTMESS MOMMA Vlogs, for some plus size curvy girl fashion hauls, as well as over on Instagram and TikTok at HOTMESSMOMMA4. And until next time, as always, I hope you have a wonderful, beautiful, and blessed day. Kisses from Kentucky. Mwah! Bye.